Hi everyone, welcome to your channel Impulse Tech. So let me tell you one thing. Today I haven't come up with a new project or new IoT project or new robotics project or new electronics project. Today I came up with a new sort of tutorial where today you will get to learn about how to create your first AI generated video. Yes, you heard right. I come up with a new tutorial where I'll be teaching you how to create the AI generated video. Okay. This video is sponsored by Deep Brain AI. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create your AI avatar, how to create your first AI generated video with the help of ChatGPT, and you can also edit that video in platform itself. You guys know that in nowadays everyone wants to create content and the content marketing is very vast. So in order to build the content, in order to post content regularly, we don't get so much of time. So now we all know that 2023 is the year of AI revolution. So we can create video content with the help of AI. So without wasting time, let's just get deep dive into the AI video generating platform, that is Deep Brain AI. Now you just open the Google Chrome and then search for Deep Brain AI like that. So just click on this first website, which is like Deep Brain AI, best AI video generator. Let's click on that. Now as soon as you land on this website, as you can see, this is their homepage and you can see their AI avatars, custom avatars and all you can see. So it can, like, you can see what are the different languages that you can use with the Deep Brain AI. That is flexible text to video maker, multi-language TTS supported. You can see Chinese, Hindi, Spanish, English. You can create any language video. Okay, so now without wasting time, let's just directly create one sample video and let's see the capabilities of Deep Brain AI. So I'll just click on login and now I'll just log in with the Google. After you successfully enter the Deep Brain AI website, so they are having their own AI studio. Like, this is the place where you are going to create your own video. Now let's just explore this AI studio in detail. So on this is the home page. Now if I click on this template, you can see now I can start creating a video with their templates. So they are having plenty of templates, as you can see here. Also, you can sort all those videos based on your need. For example, like education and training, news, business, commerce, health and medical. So now, as you know that my channel is educational channel, I post content on education and mainly on the tutorials which are focused on building stuff. So now I wanted to create one video. Let's create one video which focused on education and training. Now I'll just select here any one of the template which I like. Let's take this one, online school, because I teach online. Yeah, and let's click on create AI video. So guys, let's just see in what they are having in this AI studio. So I have selected one template from their pre-built templates and now I'll try to create the AI generated video for my YouTube channel. Now let's see. You don't need to worry about the video editing part as well. Like, this is the good feature which I like most about the Deep Brain AIs, like AI Studio. That means you don't even need to edit the video like outside. You can edit your video in AI Studio itself. So let's just create or modify this video according to our need. As you can see, you just have to click on this if you wanted to change the sentence. So I'll just change this line. I'll write here. So now what you can do with this, you can make it bold, you can make it italic. That means you can do a lot of changes here. Also you can make underline. Okay, so now you can add stroke as well. If you wanted to add stroke, colors and everything, you can do that as well. And now what I wanted to animate this thing. Like, for example, I wanted to animate this thing basically. If I click on animate, and I can now select the animations as well. Here you can see on the left hand side, this is how it will come. So I want it like it should come from this left side. Yes, so I'll select this animation And also we can set the duration for animation, like how long we want. So I'll keep it as 1 second. And also we can set the delay as well. I have marked the animation for this word, or you can say sentence. Okay, now guys, as you can see on the screen, you have this avatar, or you can say the AI model. Now you can change this AI model. As you can see, you are having lots of AI avatars, or you can see AI models. You can change it to any, like for example, I'm just editing the first slide, and then I'll just change it to let's change it to Jonathan. Yes, so I have changed this AI avatar. You can see, you can make it full body, or you can make it circular. So I'll just make it circular so that it will say like this, or also I can make it apply to all sides. So in first slide I'll make it like this, and in the next slide I'll make it completely full body. Okay, now as you can see guys, if you wanted to change the background of this slide or a video, you can do that as well. Now they're having a support of this, all this thing. You can see they're having built in all those stuff, like you can also add audio to this video. You can do a lot of stuff. Also, if you wanted to add the copyright free images, so they have given the support of Pixabay as well. That means we can easily add image from here as well, as you can see. So this is how you just have to click on that and you can just add the image. Now after adding the image, you can change that image, correct? For example, uh, you can just do the editing stuff and all with this image. You can set it as a background. You can just, you can say, send this image to bottom, to the backward, forward and all. So now I'll just delete it as of now, and I'll add the image which is related to the robotics. Let's search for robotics. I have added this image which is NASA's Mars rover, and saying welcome to robotics class. Okay, now here they are saying a virtual classroom with students from all over the world. You can change this sentence. Okay, now here you can see, you can hear it, just hear it.
A virtual classroom with students from all over the world.
Okay, now guys, they are basically using the English voice. So now you can use the plenty of languages, as you can see here. So now I can use English Indian. That means they are trying to use, like we're having the Indian English in Indian accent. Let's just hear it.
Male N in Standard C.
Male N in Standard B.
Okay, I'll just check this one and click on apply voice. And now let's hear it once again.
A virtual classroom with students from all over the world.
Nice. Okay, but you can see that this is not completely Indian accent, but yeah, somewhat Indian accent is there. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just add my own sentence as well. I'll write here, welcome to a virtual classroom. Welcome to a virtual robotics classroom with students all over from the with students from all over the world. So now I have added it, and now let's hear it.
Welcome to a virtual robotics classroom with students from all over the world.
Nice. Now you can now you can just change the scene speed as well. Also, you can add the pauses in between the sentence. And now one of the most important thing, which is using the ChatGPT prompt inside the AI Studio. So they have given us the inbuilt ChatGPT support. That means you just write the prompt and you will get the AI result here, and you can use that AI result in your video. So I will just demonstrate you how to use this. Let's see now. Okay, so I have just created the first slide with the Jonathan. Okay, now let's add the next slide, which is this one. And now here I'll change this avatar to Jonathan once again, or we can add anyone. In order to demonstrate, I'll just add the female one so that you will understood. Okay, let's add the female, and now let's see. And also I wanted to add here a title, which is, I'll delete this one. And I'll title. Now I'm going to use here ChatGPT. And let's add the prompt. What is robotics? And click on generate. Now guys, just see that this AI studio has built-in ChatGPT support. That means you don't even have to write the script on your own. You can write the script using the ChatGPT. So that's a cool feature I liked about this AI studios. So let's click on apply, and now you can see. Now just hear it.
Robotics is a branch of technology that deals with the design, construction, operation, and use of robots. It combines principles from various fields such as mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer science, and artificial intelligence to create machines that can perform tasks autonomously or with minimal human intervention.
So you can see guys, this is so nice. This is so nice. Now let's just erase this thing. Let me just add this sentence up to this only. I'll just add it and paste it here. Now I'll just change its voice to Indian female, English female.
Female N in standard A.
Okay, let's click on that. Okay, now let's listen once again.
Robotics is a branch of technology.
Yeah, now it's working. Okay, so I have added two slides. One is this and second is this. So here also we can add the animations and everything. We can do all these changes here. Okay, also we can upload the images. Here you can see in the asset you can upload your own image. Yeah, so here you can upload your own audio files, own image file, own video files. And also one more thing, that if you wanted to record your own voice, that means if you wanted to record a script in your own voice, you can do that as well. You just have to record it up to 5 minutes and just add it here, and then you can easily able to give your voice to avatars which are available inside the AI studio. Now let's just click on generate. I hope this is good. Now we'll click on generate and let's see how we get our video. So as you can see guys on the screen, it started processing now. So we are generating the video. So after finishing the video, I will show you the output on the screen as well. So guys, the video is ready now. Let's just play now. How does it look?
Welcome to a virtual robotics classroom with students from all over the
Oh my
world.
goodness.
Robotics is a branch of technology that deals with the design, construction, operation, and use of robots. It combines principles from various fields such as mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer science, and artificial intelligence to create machines that can perform tasks autonomously.
This is so nice guys. This is so nice. So this is you can create hell lot of videos. I am just imagining now how can I use this platform and create so many videos without editing, without getting the headache of editing, shooting and lots of other stuff. So I can create this informative videos and I can post it on YouTube and I can start earning as well. Here I have used just single template of it feature. So let's just jump on this feature, which is ChatGPT feature. So they have an inbuilt support that I have already mentioned. You just have to click on ChatGPT, and now suppose you wanted to create a video on what is electrical engineering, and let's click on that. Let's click and also one more step you need to select here is select your template. Second step, first step is write a topic or a question, and then select the template the way which you want to build it. These are the vertical presentations. You can choose any template which is available here. So let me choose this template and click on create your free AI video. Generating your video with ChatGPT. How cool it is. How they have created the video. Now we can edit all those things. For example, we can edit this as a what is electrical.
The field of electrical engineering offers abundant career opportunities across multiple industries.
You can add text, you can add media, you can even use the Pixabay. These are the copyright free images. You can also add the video from the Pixabay. You can also add the audio from the Deep Brain AI's audio library. You can see here. We can also add libraries and everything. I hope you have got some very useful information from my video. So today you learn about how to create the AI video for your YouTube channel, for your social media and all. So you can create a hell lot of content using this platform. If you wanted to purchase this, you can use the link which is present inside the description box. You will get the discount definitely. Like the video, do subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.